Barrick is not an army. It doesn't believe in investing in guns. We look to our partners in the Balochistan government and the Pakistan government to supply the security for us to do our job, along with the business people and the workers and managers from this country who are going to be operating on the mine. And I believe if we do it for the right reasons and we deliver results, people will respect this project. It's where, as the Chief Minister says, this is a real partnership. So the government is part of this mine. It's not a foreign investment. It's a foreign company in partnership with the people of Pakistan and Balochistan. And so absolutely, and we will be able to share it with you as well. And I think the key here too is just to give you some confidence. As you know, there's been lots of dynamics, political and commercial and legal with Rekodik. Today we've brought Rekodik project to share with the people, and it's been started under one government, finished under another government, and we have a unitary vision, all of us, because we all believe this is good for the country, and if it's good for the country, it's good for all investors. After the framework agreement, and you're a reporter, so I'm sure you can read these things, and the press release yesterday with the presentation, it's on our website. The agreement is transparent. It's there. You can evaluate it. And I will explain it to you because it's simple. It's not complicated. It's not secret. Barrick will own 50% of the project, and it will bring expertise, technical, financial expertise to develop. And Barrick has a long history of developing world-class assets, and I have spent my life building assets in very complicated jurisdictions in poor countries like Mali, West Africa, Zambia, Democratic Republic of Congo, etc. Plenty. You can look on the website.
Yes.
And I think the critical thing too is, and the Balochistan government will have 25%, and its 25% will be funded, the 10% by the other parties, and the other 15% by the government of Pakistan. And the other 25 will be the state-owned enterprises of Pakistan. So Pakistan will have 50, of which 25 will be Balochistan.
Yes.
And we will have 50, sorry.
Yes.
We will bring forward and invest in communities, because our vision together is we want to start Rekodik with a focus of being Balochistan in its character, its culture. So it's important we start investing in education, vocational training, technical skills, and of course not only labor but professional careers, engineers, accountants, human resource practitioners, etc. And so we have a plan, and today is really just to share with you that we've all agreed on our destination. And the objective is we will communicate with you as we go with this voyage. And we see that as journalists and reporters, you are the people who will communicate and also hold us accountable for what we say, because we're going to tell you what we're going to do, and then we're going to tell you what we've done and tell you some more, and we will be in regular contact. And that for me, everyone, is a very important commencement. We have some final documentation, legislation, and approvals from and endorsement from the Supreme Court to complete, but we are in agreement of our overall objective, and we have agreed on all the key principles which we will work together with. And we see this as a real partnership. And then finally, I would like to just share with you, we want this to be something we're all proud of. We want it to be a project that has the culture of Balochistan, and also we all agree that if we do it right, it will be the first of many investments in this region. And as many people say, Balochistan has never had the real opportunity to participate in the natural endowment that was given by God. And so we have a responsibility. Good afternoon to all of you here today. I want to start by saying, you know, when you read about Balochistan and Pakistan, and you watch the television, sometimes you don't get the right picture. And so I would want to start by saying, on behalf of me and my team, we felt so very welcome to Balochistan, and we appreciate the welcoming. I have visited ریکوڈک, and there we were welcomed too. And so today, as the Chief Minister explains, is the start of a voyage. And as you know, voyages, many of you travel through the desert. You always have challenges. But if we work together, we can get to our destination. And we had some difficult starts to ریکوڈک. But I think the ریکوڈک story is a lesson to everyone. Everyone in this world where people spend too much time fighting and not talking. Because when you talk, you find solutions. And we are proud to be part of that solution that was created through Barrick's commitment to invest in world-class projects, and the Balochistan government and the Pakistan government prepared to engage to find a win-win situation. And you know, many people talk about partnerships, but there's only one partnership really. That's when it's 50-50. And the ریکوڈک project today is a much better project for everyone than the project that was discussed back in 2012. And most importantly, when we started the conversation, all of us believed that we needed to find a way to allow Balochistan to be a real partner, not just a benefactor, but a partner in ریکوڈک. And so we're very pleased today, as we shared with you in the framework agreement,